horse sleeps. Go up and see the chooks. Chooks are an Australian word we use for chickens. We call them the chooks. And they live in a chook yard. And this is the chook yard down here. Bark! Bark, 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 bark. And look at them all come to the door. Hello, chooks. Bark, 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 bark. Can't see them very well from there. Oh. More apples. Oh, look, and they're little pears. Beautiful. Gee, they've got a bit of everything here. That's the old chook yard. They had a problem with crows getting in and stealing the eggs. So they've moved the chooks into this chook yard. Bark, 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 bark. They must think I've got food for them. Sorry, but no. I've only got 6 chooks. That's some sort of a dead bird that's hanging there as a warning to the crows who try to steal the eggs. I don't think it works. And there's the tractor. I want to go and check out some of these trees and see what they got. So here I am in the orchard, and there's a whole heap of trees here. I'm not sure what half of them are, except for the obvious ones. Like these are obviously plums, not plums, young pears. Don't know what that is. It looks like it could be apricot or peach or some stone fruit. Don't know what that is. Because unfortunately it might be a cherry tree. Oh no. What are they? Some sort of a fruit that I have not seen before. Let's see what else there is here. They look like apples. More apples. That looks like it could be a walnut tree. Some grapevines over there. And more apples. Oh, someone's going to have plenty of apples soon. Oh. And that's another pear tree. Well, apples and pears, by the look of it. I know there's some hazelnut trees here somewhere, but I don't know what they look like, so I can't show them to you. And I know that there's 5 cherry trees here somewhere too. But once again, don't know what they look like, unless they've got cherries on them. Moss all up the bark of the tree. Okay. And now we're back in Tor's. Don't jump on me, Tor. Now they look like they could be plums or something. Once again, not ripe. You're doing a bit of work there in the garden, Tor. Wish I knew what half these trees were. It's Christmas morning. I would have thought that my brother would be up to feed the animals, but he's asleep. He's getting old. Probably needs his sleep. He's a bit older than me, 12 years older than me. Look at the willy wagtail sitting on the sheep's back. The sheep furthest from me has got a willy wagtail sitting on his back. Now, willy wagtail is a little black bird that wags his tail around. He sort of swings it around, and they're feisty little birds, a bit like a chihuahua. They'll take on the biggest dog. And we used to have willy wagtails attack my dog when I was young, because they're very territorial, and if they've got a nest nearby, they'll bomb you like a magpie will. Cockatoos in the trees as well. Hey Tor. Isn't it amazing how he won't cross that wire? Because it's an electric fence, but he could quite easily step over it, but he doesn't.